Let's create an X workspace with Angular app. Now I can open project in the VS Code. There is Angular app and I'm using style CSS. We're not using preprocessors here because Tailwind not designed to be used with preprocessors, and it also have a lot of built stuff like we used to have in preprocessors. For example, you can have imports like this, and you can have nesting like this. To install Tailwind, I need to copy this command. Now I need to create this file. And I need to copy this config. Add import. Now I can check if everything is working. So I can see Tailwind intelligences and I can start my app. I need to add same settings to the second app. In the template, I can add title, app2, and add some classes. Now I can run my application. Tailwind is working for application 2 as well. I want to have shared component for both applications. And I need to create new folder and call it libs. I have VS Code NX extension, and that's why I can do right click and generate new library. Let's call it UI title. Let's keep skip tests. And we have vtest, so let's use this one. I need to add some changes. For example, I can add input. And I can add some Tailwind classes. Now I can use it in the app 1. And in the app 2. Now I would like to have my shared styles for both applications and libraries. So for that, in my libs folder, I will create styles folder, and where I put my main CSS. Or you can call it shared CSS. Import Tailwind in the main CSS. In the project JSON for each application, we need to add our shared styles. And here we don't need anymore to import Tailwind. Let's do the same in the application one. Also, to see changes, we need to restart our dev server. So I can stop it. Now I need to add Angular material. Because we are using plain CSS, we can't use mod mixin to customize our theme. So in that case, we can generate our palette. And we can use this command to do that. I can provide color which I want to be like my main color. I can skip this step. So here all our styles for all our components, and it's using like only CSS variables. Now I need to move our theme CSS into styles folder, and I need to import it. For some reason I had to reinstall Angular material because it went to dev dependencies, but it looks like it has to be into the dependencies, so I just did run npm install Angular material. In the application one, I can import button module. As can you see, everything is working, and I can change, for example, primary color here. For example, I want to have something like this. And if we need, we still can use material mixin. For that, we just need to create another file and call it, for example, material as CSS. Now let's add an Angular mod form field. Add material styles into project JSON for app1 and for app2. Also make sure to add this symbol here. And as you see, everything is working. And just in case you have problems with Tailwind instances, you can copy this into your VS Code settings. For example, something like this.